Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Assalamu alaikum viewers. Welcome to the series of videos in which we are showing you how you can get Microsoft Access connected with your Excel-based dashboard, and how you can pass on this. You extract the data from the database, which is located in Microsoft Access, right? And you are in Excel, and we have shown you that how you create a new user, and each time when a new user is created, so this drop down should get automatically updated. At the moment, in our previous video, we have been doing it manually, copying and paste of the master, the user's master record, right? So they were being copied and we pasted it in here, right? And in pasting, we have noticed that some information is not properly pasted, right? As you can see, 180 is not coming here. All the text strings are coming while this is not coming. So to address this issue, we got to write a procedure, which is in the workbook open, right? When you go to the worksheet objects here, and so this is this book object, and in which you have the option to write any event. So we are triggering, we are writing the code for the workbook open, and we have brought this code to get the connection to the Microsoft Access. Yes, all these have been already explained, and we have been using it repeatedly. So we are copying all of these things in which the connection is established, and the users table is queried. It means it is all its contents are stored in the record set, right? So this is a new ADODB record set. It is dimmed, it is set, yeah, and then it is opened using mentioning the table name. The table name is users. So all are here. Now transferring this record set into the Excel sheet so we have to write the procedure, right? So let's put a breakpoint and see what happens, right? Okay, right. Then we say we press F5 to run this procedure, right? So it has cleared all the contents in the setup sheet, and it has opened the record set, and now it is going to start a loop in which with each time it gets to a record pointer. So that record is transferred into the respective columns of the sheet, right? So in the column A, you say, so RW, this is a variable we have that is going to represent the row number, right? So here we are going to say range A, and then RW. So that means range A1, right, is equal to what? It's equal to RST, and here we are going to write what is the record set, what is so it is RST. Or you can also use it a variable starting with say R, okay, and R is equal to 1, right? So why R1? I tell you, R is equal to 1 because 0 is the ID. If you see this table, so 0 is the ID, and this is the ID. We are not taking this. We are starting from 1. So this is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 have to be taken, right? So R is equal to 0. Okay. So again, before reaching to the next record, it should again become equal to 1, right? So R is equal to 1. So this way, this is going to be N, yeah. So R1 is equal to first record, first column, not 0 column, it's first column. Let's see what happens. Let's press F8, right? It is now ready to write on A1 something. What something? This is A1, that's right. F8, you press F8. That's it. Okay. So when it has done it, so how about the next one? So we can use it. Do while R is less than or equal to 7. Okay. And we do loop here. And here we are going to R is equal to R plus 1. Okay. So this is going to, this is 1, this is A, this is A1, and this is going to be active cell, because this is not always be in column A. So A will, how this A should become B. So we use range A dot active cell dot row. So here we are going to manipulate it so that we don't have to write A, B, C, D, E, F, G, L. Right? So it should automatically come to the next one. Okay. So here we are going to offset. This is the offset function, which allows you to set your pointer to the respective position from A1 at this condition, right? A1, right? So since R is equal to 1, okay, so this is going to be 0, then comma. 0 is for row offset. We are bothering about what? We are worrying about column. So column is R minus 1. R minus 1. That's it. So that makes it to be the right position, right? If you delete it and run it again, you will see that this command brings the user ID here. Okay. If you run it, F8, yeah, it is now using now. Yeah. Okay. So it's taking a bit of time. Yes, no problem. Sometimes you just wait over. Okay. Now it is ready. It's F8. Yeah. So it has put the right thing at right place. Now R value is again changed, and now it should go to the second column. The same command will address the B1 position now, right? And take the next item, that is the name, that's right. And the next item now, that is the email address. Good. Okay. And the next is, which was coming actually blank when we copied. So 180, yeah, this is the local rate. And this is the currency. And this is the city. And this is the country. So this way, the complete record set has been, the first record of the record set is gone. Now, since it is the value of R is now 8, so it will go out from it, and the row will be changed. Now row, at the moment row is 1, it will take you to the row 2, and it will move the record set to one position more, and it will start from R1 again, and this time it is going to then take the new user, the next user. So that's it. F8. Good. Similarly, and now it is going to get the third. Yeah, and that's it. You can see F8. Good. Okay. So this is how it has been successfully transferring the data from Access table to the Excel sheet, which is actually the basis of the drop down to work on. Now, the next is we adjust the name range. This is the name manager code, which would, first of all, it would delete any code. So so we say on error, resume next. Right? And here it is going to be on error, go to 0. So this is what is it? Means if there is some error in deleting, so don't bother about it. It means it is already deleted, so don't give an error, and so it will resume next. And and we immediately terminate it with on error go to 0 command, so that this takes the effect, and the on error resume next is become reset, right? So this is what we have done. So we copy this and we bring it into our this procedure of open, and in here we paste it. So now this is the procedure which is going to take care of the name manager, which will update the drop down, right? So these are the 4 items. So first of all, it is going to delete. It is deleting, yeah, and now it is creating the users. But here we have to update it, because this 4 will represent this 4. So this will always keep changing. So that 4 is already we have here 5. All right, it's 5. So that is the RW minus 1. So what we do here, we put this, yeah, and in place of 4, what we do RW minus 1. That makes 4, right? And that's it. And we remove this 4 from here, and that's it. So this way we have made it dynamic. This will be dynamically addressing to the right range of to be included into the dropdown, right? Okay, so we click it. That's it. Okay, now it is back into the menu, and you can see that all the names are appearing in here, right? So we have automated this drop down making. Otherwise, what we were doing it manually. We were copying the table from here, yeah, and pasting it all, and pasting. Yeah, we have been pasting all these things, and the pasting was incorrect, because by pasting it was not bringing this 180 figure. But through VBA, when we are doing it in a automated manner, so it is bringing the right information in the right column, and that would make our system more effective, more correct and precision, right? Okay, so what we have learned in this session, that we can automate the things using VBA. Even we can refresh the length of tomorrow. If we have 10, 20, 100 or 1,000 or 50,000 users, so 50. So this mechanism will do that each time it is going to delete any range name. Where is it? It is in the name manager. There, it is going to be deleted first, and later on then it will adjust it. It will recreate it with the correct address. So this address means A until A4. This is the basis of the dropdown. If you go to the dropdown, that is called validation. Validation, data validation. You can go to data. I'm sorry. So it won't allow us in the break mode, so that we can show you that how this drop down is made is that you go to the data, and in the data you have this data validation, this one. Yeah, and in the data validation you have the setup, and that calls the users. This is the user range which we have made sure that it is refreshed each time, so that your drop down don't have to be changed manually. So it is automated, right? I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you very much for watching.